Got a special one today. Got elemental Crustillion, elemental diamond Viloch, the villain for Bakugan Geogan Rising. Probably one of the better seasons out of the reboot, actually. And just a special Bakugan. I don't know if this is a misprint or not, but I thought all the special ones, diamonds and elementals, had a golden stripe here. But not Viloch. Don't know if that's a misprint or not. I don't know. Let's do Crustillion. Not Crustation. Crustillion first. Here's the character card. And the gate card. And the Bakugan cores. You look at the Bakugan ball. And it's a regular Bakugan. Don't need to use the cores in this case. Use the gate card. Even with a bigger surface, it's hard to stand for me. But I'm just bad at this. Here's the arrow. So, hey! Let's see. Looks like you bring up these claws and you wrap around the tail. Him off to the side. Diamond Viloch. strong tape. Don't need a knife anymore. Look at the Bakugan. See the difference between a regular one and elemental? Nope. Gate card. And the character card. The downside to the core diamonds, you don't get the ability card to evolve. Where is the arrow? Arrow is right there. So, ball. It's honestly hard to tell where the other two heads are. Or are these supposed to be the heads? Looks like you fold up the head, fold up the main head, fold up the other two heads. Close up the feet. And push it in. Viloch doesn't want to stay in like Crustillion. And this was the unboxing of Diamond, Aurelus, Viloch, and Darkus Elemental Crustillion. There we go.